Watch this video to learn how to set up online bill payments so you can pay your suppliers directly from Xero. Select Purchases, then select Online Bill Payments. Xero uses open banking to establish a secure connection to your bank. Check that your bank supports open banking batch payments and future dated payments. Scroll down to view the pricing. Watch a video about how online bill payments work, or read more about open banking by reviewing the frequently asked questions. Once you've reviewed the information, click Set up Bill Payments. Read through the information on the data sharing with Cresco, scroll down and read the terms and privacy policies. Click Allow to give Cresco access to your Xero account. Choose the bank you want to use for making payment and click Confirm. Follow your bank's prompts to securely connect your bank account to Xero. Now you can set up online bill payments so you can pay bills without leaving Xero.